jury. Tatlo na sa kanila ang magbibigay ng opinion. Tingnan natin kung nalito ba sila sa counterpointing songs na kanilang napanood. Unahin na natin si Mr. Louie.
Hi, Bunny.
Hi po.
Ang feeling ko lang kasi parang, I don't know if may sakit ka ngayon or wala, you were holding your notes long enough, parang paos, no?
Meron.
I feeling ko you weren't at your best. And Sen naman, the beginning was very shaky. I'm sorry. It was very shaky. Parang, sabi ko, you had better performances before. But pagdating sa sa counterpoint, you both did a good job naman. But individually, so-so.
Yes. Thank you po. Miss Lani? Kung ako gagawa ng ganong klase, nagka-counter part, merong mga iba yung song, definitely malilito ako nun. And I should say that they did a good job.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Yeah. So yun yung good part about that. But yun nga lang, somehow parang merong uncertainty in the beginning, but somehow you pulled it through. So, great job. Mr. Gerard?
Bunny,
Yes po.
yung feeling ko sa'yo, magaling kang singer, kaso nagiging hadlang sa'yo ito. Yung physical part, nagiging hadlang. Di mo tuloy magawa yung mga gusto mong gawin.
Yes, that's true.
Kasama yun di ba? Alam nito, pero hindi magawa nito. So, you have to check that out, ha? Sen, it's obvious you're good in group situations. Kasi,
Thank you po.
doon sa part na counterpointing, mas mahirap yung part mo. Like, it was more about, wag ka lang mawawala dahil sila you love me.
Opo.
But you have to take this advice very seriously. You need to make your singing your strongest suit. Okay, so work on that.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, jury. Tatlo ho ang nagbagay ng kanilang mabibigat na komentos. And Bunny, you may now go back inside the academy. Naluluha pa si Bunny. Maraming salamat, Provies. Good luck to you later. You may now go back inside. Matapos ang mga Provies, sino naman kaya magpapakita ng kanilang counterpointing performances? Billy?
One has been a star scholar several times. The other one has landed from the bottom four more than once. But they share the same thing in common. During last week's gala, parehong walang excitement ang kanilang performance. Madala kaya nila ang audience sa gala na to? Scholars, Miguel and Zell.
ating jury sa kanilang napanood na counterpointing songs. Simulan natin kay Mr. Louie.
Hi, Lizelle and Miguel.
Good evening po.
Okay, Lizelle, you were consistently there. You're still there. No new surprises. Very safe. I enjoyed your singing.
Thank you po.
But, Miguel, I enjoyed you more. For the first time, I enjoyed your singing now. Honestly, I mean, bagay yung kanta sa'yo, yung mga kulot-kulot, andong ka, so it's nice to see you up there. So congratulations, sir.
Miss Lani? Hello, Lizelle. Hello, Miguel. Nag-enjoy kayo sa ginawa niyo?
Sobra po.
Yes. Nakita ko kasi yun, na nakarating sa akin yung impression na yun na you enjoyed what you just did. And I think you did a great job. Si Lizelle, siguro konting mas maging loose ka pa. Parang medyo, although nakita ko naman yun na in-enjoy mo yung sarili mo at somehow, nagkaroon talaga kayo ng interaction. Pero sana maging loose pa ng a little bit. Siguro mas lalo kang magiging relaxed. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Lana. Mr. Gerard?
Individually, you both did very well. No? Individually, Miguel, this is as good as you've performed throughout this whole thing so far. And I'd like to see you get even better. What sort of bothered me about it was there wasn't enough interaction there. It felt like it was every man for himself a little bit. So it needed more. Pero maganda yung performance nyo. It didn't feel forced. The counterpoint didn't feel pilit or anything. Pero yun lang yung sa akin. Pero maganda.
Maraming salamat, jury and scholars Jen and Miguel. Thank you. You may now go back inside the Academy. Maraming salamat. Apat na performances na lamang at magpapaalam na tayo sa isa kina Sen at Bonnie Cat. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang inyong pagboto. Magbabalik ang Pinoy Dream Academy